This is Ryan, also known as Saykazay, and I'm going to teach you how to mod your Groupie. Groupie is a social networking app, and as you can see, mine is fully modded. These are the apps I recommend you use to mod it. Not mainly. Those two first apps are what I use to edit the photos, if you want to do it on your device. And back to Groupie, I am going to show you how my Groupie differs. As you can see, the blue in the messages, and look at a new message, it should be green, don't know why it isn't. Issue with the actual Groupie app. Maybe there'll be a new one in LNG. Yes, there's a new one in Late Night Groupies. As you can see, it's green, blue again. And scrolling down, you'll see I have different envelopes and everything. Now, in order to modify your Groupie, you're going to need a couple apps. You're going to need iFile, which you can get in Cydia. And if you don't already have iFile, I'm going to show you how to get iFile. Go to Cydia and go to search. Wait for it to load. Obviously, it's got to be loaded first. Search and find iFile. Since I already had it opened up, it's going to go right back into that, but that's the page you should be getting to. You don't have to purchase it, but I recommend that you do purchase it because you're going to want to use thumbnails most likely, so you can find which images you are planning on editing. And as you can see, I have purchased it. Where it's loading right now, that'll say install. It's going to say modify for me, but you want to click install and install it. It's shareware, so you don't have to purchase it. You just don't get every feature. Now I'm going to go into iFile, let it load, and I'm going to go to preferences, put on hidden files, use trash, application names, and grouping. And I'm going to turn on thumbnails, but you cannot do that unless you have the paid version. Press done. Go into applications. Oh, accidentally went into media. Go to applications. And go down to Groupie. Don't click on the sidebar, won't help. Not in this part. Go down to Groupie. And you'll see I have 5 folders there: custom themes, documents, groupie.app, library, and TMP. You will not have the custom themes folder, but I recommend that you create it. You should create it and make a folder called default inside of it. To make a folder, you're going to have to press edit, and first I'll just show you this. Go to groupie.app and scroll down to the DBs. There. And you'll see all these DB dashes. These are the main files you're going to want to edit. As you can see, they're already edited for me. So I'm going to find the most common request as a change for people, and that is db-background db-background at 2x.png. And as you can see, that's already modded. It won't look like that. It'll look different for you. And you're going to want to click the folder with the down arrow to save it. Let it save. And it'll get successfully added to the camera roll. Now, another app that you have to pay for to get is an app that I use to modify most of my files. The one thing you can't do with it is draw, but you should be able to live with that. You can use other apps that are a bit slower for that. And I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to teach you how to make your Groupie thing like mine, or similar at least. And I just added that, but I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to show you the original Groupie thing, which you should have, and edit that for you. As you can see, it's already modified. All I have to do is go back into history and load. And oh, that's not it. No, it's down farther. Oh, there it is. I gotta go into, oh, it's already, don't even need to go into history. And what I recommend you do is go into effects, no, not effects, sorry. The thing with the pencil and the ruler, or you can do something else. I recommend staying in effects first, actually. Radial blur. Spin up a little bit, about that much. Press the check mark. Click on the color balance, don't need to. Go to textures, which is in the pencil and ruler. Go to texture 11, turn that on, and you save that by clicking on the cloud and then photo album, which is green. And then you're going to want to go back into iFile, done, back, and you're going to want to go into library, no, not library, I meant media, and go to DCIM 101 Apple, and you're going to scroll down to the very bottom. Takes a little while. I have over 1,900 photos. And it's going to be the last image. You're going to want to select it and click on the pasteboard to copy it. Press done. DCIM, media, and applications. Back into Groupie. Now that you're in Groupie, I recommend you make the custom themes folder and go into it, and you'll see I already have the default theme, but you go to add and you're going to click the name default, make it, but I'll call it test just to show you this. Create, go into test, and you're going to want to copy, or you're going to want to paste the file here. So click paste, done, or the blue, press the blue arrow, and edit the file and make it db-background at 2x.png. Done, and you don't have to copy it, but I probably shouldn't have copied it right there, whatever. Gonna go into Groupie.app again. Or, oh yeah, this is the default that I have, but it's not going to look exactly like that. So into Groupie.app, and you see that I still have the background, and I really recommend that you save any picture that you're going to edit so that you can always revert back, and you move it to a different part. So the custom themes, put it in the default folder, edit, paste, done. Custom themes, blue theme, oh wrong, test, and you're going to copy that again. Done, custom themes, Groupie, Groupie.app, and you're going to press edit, pasteboard, paste, overwrite, and go back into Groupie. And I have backgrounders, so it didn't close out of the app, so it looks like it used to, but I have to disable my backgrounding. Get back into Groupie. It's loading, same loading symbol as before, and opening up. There. As you can see, the background is different, and yeah, that is how you modify Groupie. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed. Please comment and rate it. Thank you. Yeah. I really hope that this helped and got you to theme Groupie.